Just want to show this off before delivery. This is a custom, obviously custom finish. And it was done with an artist, hand painted, brush painted. Really beautiful effect. When you open it up, original ivory keys, and a new lease on life. This piano is also hiding a little tiny secret. Oh, very cool effect with the lighting on top and the bottom. Unique. And listen to the sound.